Hey, come sit with me for a moment. No rush, no noise, just truth. I want to tell you something. And once it lands, it's going to change the way that you see yourself and your brand. Listen, you didn't grow a $500,000, million, or multi-million-dollar company by accident. You're smart, you're decisive, you're a leader. You make things move just by walking into the room. But every morning, you open Instagram, and there is this tiny jolt in your chest because the woman in your feed looks like someone that you used to be, not the woman running the empire today. And you're not crazy for feeling that. You're not vain. You're not being extra. You've simply evolved, but your brand hasn't. Your inner world upgraded, but your outer world stayed where it was. And that gap, that space between who you are and who the world thinks you are, is quietly costing you energy, money, opportunities that you've already qualified for. Welcome to the Iconic Era. 5 episodes where we bring your brand back into alignment with the woman you've already become. No fluff, no post more, no Canva templates, just identity, clarity, and a brand that finally moves at your new frequency. The truth that no one says out loud, your brand is not your colors, your photos, your website, your aesthetic. Your brand is the version of you that lives rent-free in someone else's mind after they close your profile. And if that version is outdated, but you're already operating at this higher level, people feel that disconnect. And that's why you still have to explain yourself. That's why you're always reintroducing yourself. That's why some people ask you beginner questions. And that's why clients say, wow, I didn't know that you did all that. They're meeting an older version of you because that's the one that your brand is still showing. Now, let me tell you about the perception pyramid. Inside Iconic the Agency, I teach a simple model. 1 identity, who you are right now and who you're becoming next. Layer 2 is expression, how that identity becomes visible, your visuals, your voice, your presence, how you posture yourself. And then 3, perception, what the world experiences and the story their mind tells about you. Now, most ambitious women pour so much money into layer 2, the photo shoots, the design, the content. While layer 1, their identity, is running 2 upgrades behind. It's like when your iPhone is due for an update, but you've heard that the updates are terrible, so you just keep putting it off. Then you wonder why your phone starts to run slow, and others who just push through that learning curve are smooth sailing with the latest update. And here is some big sister advice. You can't design your way out of an identity problem. You end up with beautiful visuals that still don't feel like you. I just need better photos. That's what I hear all the time. Well, inside Iconic the Agency, I hear that almost every week. Women making 500 to 5 million, real results, real reputation, real leadership. And they say, I think I just need better photos. But they don't need better photos. What they need is alignment. They need their brand to speak the language of the woman leading the business today, not the woman that she was 3 years ago, or gosh, even 3 months ago. A simple example that I want to tell you about is I want you to think of Anne Hathaway. Remember her character, Andy in The Devil Wears Prada? She didn't become smarter. She always had it. She simply stepped into a higher identity. And that external world of hers, it adjusted around her. And that's you right now. You've grown, you've expanded. Your brand just hasn't been informed yet. And when your brand falls behind the new, smarter, more experienced you, people feel that. But they don't know why. They just sense something is off. So they hire the woman whose brand is aligned, even if she is half as skilled as you. And that's the power of perception. People don't respond to what's true. They respond to what they believe is true. And right now, the world is still responding to an old version of you. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because evolution creates this natural delay between who you are and how you're seen. And I lived this. For years, I was making good money. I was speaking on big stages, building empires behind the scenes, while my brand still showed this version of me that I had outgrown. And it felt like starting from zero each time. But when my brand caught up to my identity, that is when everything shifted. People understood me before I ever spoke. Sales actually felt easier because my brand did all of the heavy lifting. And showing up on my social media and being visible felt natural. Recognition finally matched reality. And it's that shift from being just a high achiever to an architect of perception. You stop performing and you start transmitting. Your brand becomes this living extension of who you really are. Calm, sharp, certain, unmistakably you. And that's why I built Iconic the Agency. It's not a coaching program, not a mastermind, not a group of freelancers that you need to manage, but as a full brand department that already speaks your language. In over 12 months, we build your entire brand ecosystem. We start with phase 1, recalibration. In your identity, clarity, narrative, and visual direction, we recalibrate. Phase 2 is all about refinement in your messaging, positioning, and we even give you an AI-trained brand brain for your exact voice that you can use. Phase 3 is visibility. Now we can focus on cinematic content, PR, authority, on-camera presence. And then phase 4 is all about elevation, systems, integration, and optimizing so your brand runs beautifully even when you're offline. A brand that doesn't just look iconic, it operates like one. If your body says yes, that's not fear, that is recognition. That's alignment tapping you on the shoulder. And before you go, what I want you to do is download the brand elevation guide below, because inside you're gonna unlock Iconica AI, your personal AI brand strategist. She'll walk you through the same identity audit we use with our private clients. 10 minutes and you will walk away with exactly where that gap is. And in the next episode, I'm gonna show you why the most powerful women online actually post less and why the world pays attention more when they do. Hit subscribe if you're coming along with me, and after these 5 episodes, you're gonna look at your brand and think, oh, there I am. I'll see you in the next one.